Are you looking for the best sand blasters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sand blasters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the RedSun Sandblasting Kit. For customers looking to sandblast large surface areas like machines, vehicles, or even containers, this kit comes equipped with everything you might need to get the job done quickly and efficiently, using water as well as air. It features a separator to keep the compressed air dry so the media doesn't clog. It also comes with an air pressure gauge and 2 rubber wheels for moving it around with ease. Build quality is excellent, exclaimed one happy customer who further offered some helpful advice on getting the most out of the product. Take the time to adjust the air pressure and sand flow according to the media and job required. Up next in the 4th place is the RedSun Pressure Blasting Cabinet. For those more complex tasks, this sandblasting cabinet has been designed for professional and long-term use. It features an oversized viewing glass and interior LED lighting to give the user a bright, clean, and safe view during operation. This product comes as a kit that includes the gun, 4 nozzles, and integrated rubber gloves. One happy buyer used the cabinet with 80 grit glass beads in one of the original nozzles, and described that the unit has a nice sturdy build. The paint seems durable, well lit, the gloves seem to be of quality material, and the gun worked as advertised. The 3rd product on our list is the Sandblasting AT122601AV Sandblasting Cabinet. Yet another powerful and efficient sandblasting cabinet. The Sandblasting Cabinet Kit provides a larger work area and comes equipped with double-strength gloves, adjustable flood lighting, a foot-operated sandblasting gun, and a powerful HEPA vacuum that removes dust particles as you're blasting. One customer was pleased with how easy the product was to install, and wrote it came assembled in a huge well-built crate. Works great. They went on to note that the product even came with glass beads to get you started. Second on our list is the Hausfeld AT122601AV. Another affordable and easy-to-use option is the Hausfeld Siphon Feed Sandblaster. It comes with a 10-feet hose that siphons the blasting media from a bag or bucket and projects it onto the desired surface. One impressed shopper who uses this gun with an additional 20-gallon air compressor explained, "Great volume. And it has not clogged yet as it is a very simple design. I am mostly blasting bare metal, but I did manage to strip powder coating." Finally, the top product on our list is the NEIKO 30068A Air Sandblaster Gun. If you're not after big, high-pressure sandblasters and simply need an uncomplicated sandblasting gun that's easy to use and affordable, check out the NEIKO 30068A. It's handheld, versatile, and capable of removing various contaminants including paint, metal rust, oil, and dirt stains. This blaster works very well, expressed one happy user. I am using it with glass bead media to remove significant calcium buildup on my pool tiles. I found that by first applying some muriatic acid to the tiles, the bead blasting works faster at removing the calcium. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.